Hello dear traders, petar.jacimovic here from vicanalysis.com. I want to post today entry on which I took live on my live intraday trading room, and where I trade regularly on my own account. So today I got only one entry basically, and I was in the position about 2 hours and took the 2% in the 2 hours. This was a very good day. Yesterday I didn't have so good day. Got loss of 1%. Today I got 2% winning position on my account. Basically, for new traders, this is a TPO chart, a market profile based on auction process, and I trade only and make decisions, make conclusions using the TPO chart. So I don't use indicators, don't use any other types of charts. I use the pure logic and my observation on the market and try to use the good opportunities on the market. Today, since I mostly trade the Europe session and I don't trade New York session, so today I found most interesting to trade your Japanese yen, and this was my sell setup from 114.30 level. And for new traders, this is a TPO chart. We have here letters starting from A, B, C, and so on. Every color is actually represent a different session. So for example, this green one and the letters inside of this green one, they represent overnight session or Sydney plus Tokyo session. Then we have a Europe session, which is red one, and then the New York session, which is blue one. So every session is separated, and I observe every session and try to make reference points in conclusion and try to find a good opportunity on the market. Today, every letter represents 30 minutes. So boxes you see here representing the value area. Value area is the area where we price trade most 70% of the time during that session. We have something called the point of control, which is, for example, this level here or this level here on Europe session. They represent where the price traded here most of the time, and you see many prints here in this. So this was a point of control, or also called like fairest price. So today entry was pretty much, I saw that most of overnight session traders, they were net long, like about 80%. This is the open of overnight session. They were 80% net long. Now we have some selling tails, some single prints here, and I'm calling you to join my live intraday trading room and don't miss opportunity. It's $20 a month subscription, and I'm doing everything live. You join while I go to meeting and watch me how I'm analyze market live, and also see how I'm positioned myself and my reference points on the majors, right? I can also watch if you request any other instrument, symbol, or index, for example, FTSE or DAX or something. I can also do while I'm in the live trading room. I can do and give you some references for your instrument you requested as well. So back in here in Japanese yen, I saw that overnight traders were 80% long. I know that usually in overnight session these are controlled by the retail traders and by the traders, because mostly hedge funds are located in the London basically and in New York. So I know that this buying was pretty much from the weak holders or weak hands. And then in the first initial balance, in the first hour of session, in the initial balance, I saw that there is no power to go upward, and there is actually successful test of overnight high. So this is a very weak reference, confirming that the overnight buying mostly where the price traded was basically from weak holders. Now the smart money and the smart traders, I found this opportunity, and I found a yesterday's point of control. So this is the yesterday. This, for example, New York session from yesterday, Europe session, and overnight session. We see the point of control, or where price traded most of the time during yesterday, is somewhere here, and I scale out position at that point here, and I finish it. My risk was only about 15 pips, and I took about 30 pips. I took a 1-to ratio risk, was 1% on this position this morning. So what happened here is we got the one time frame trading. Basically all of the net longs, all of those buyers needed to cover their longs, and they shorted together with already smart traders who spotted this opportunity, and price went to this fair price from yesterday, which acting like a magnet, and we can see right now the price also dropped for more, another 30-40 pips from where I closed. But anyway, I don't hold position. I'm trying to focus on Europe session. But this, if for example someone of my members they took a par position here in a led second par, but they will be in right now another 40 pips in plus. The risk was only 15 pips. So this was a clean example of using the observation on the market, using the TPO and auction process. And also I'm teaching my successful way. I'm about 10% up on my account since I'm starting live trading room. This is a live account, and I'm usually trying to take about 7-10% a month with a very low max drawdown as well, and a limited risk per day in about 1%. So I call you to join. I have right now 10 members in my room, and feel free to join. You can connect in the Skype, add me on Skype, and you can subscribe and start to follow my work and become a part of my group. Also, if you're interested, you can also finish my program where I teach you how to read TPO chart and how to spot the good opportunities on pretty much any instrument you prefer to trade. The key point here is why I call this smart way of trading, because I don't use mechanical stuffs, I don't use mechanical things. Every day, every session is I'm getting the new informations, and on that way I'm trying to find a good opportunity. So there's nothing mechanical here. I just watch and try to understand what's going on, what's happening overnight relative to the previous day, and try to establish my position. So this was a perfect position with very tight stop. In case the price go higher, will be stop out above, and we got a very good objective point. This was the first objective point, and if you wanted second, I also alert people they can close second near this overnight yesterday low pretty much is here. So yesterday the price tested yesterday low, and right now rejecting. So this will be area to close, for example, second power position. So this was a very nice entry using the TPO chart and trading intraday on the forex markets. And again, I'm a full-time trader. I have experience of 8 years, and my successful way of trading started because since I mastered a few years ago, I mastered the TPO chart and worked on that to improve my decisions and don't base anything mechanically. So I don't use any indicator, anything, any pattern. So I just use my own logic on auction principle, and understanding of the general how the market works and where we may see the good opportunity. So again, your Japanese yen provide a very good opportunity today, and as you see, the price for my entry, which is here, went about 60-70 pips. I took about 30 pips. Anyway, tomorrow is a new day, so tomorrow I still want to establish some positions to take a few percentage in account. So feel free to join, and you will absolutely like the live sessions. I'm doing about 2 to 3 hours. I'm usually up, so about 2 to 3 hours. I'm live from 9 a.m. Central Europe time, usually to 12. So yeah, also if you're interested to finish my mentorship program, December is a good month to do that, because my mentorship program right now, it's including 7 days course mentorship program private, where I teach you my successful way of trading intraday forex, and teach you from the basics to advanced analysis, and also I teach you how to change and don't rely on any mechanical things, that you use your own brain and conclusion every single time you watch the chart. You want to use your own brain and make your own logic. So don't use any mechanical things and any mechanical references. Use only what's in front of you, and auction principles is the very best type of let's say type of chart in collecting the price, because it gives you a lot of reference points to make a final conclusion if something is worth to put position or something is not so tradable and there is no good opportunity. So this is an incredible way. Auction process and TPO chart gives you plenty of opportunities to benefit. And again, I'm here to teach you, mentorship program. It's a 7-day course, and from basic to advanced, over the fundamental factors, how we go versus news, or how we avoid news. Everything is including there. Also sending a few books, sending my template, and also once you finish the program, I'm giving you the full support after the program. Follow your progress. You have a 3 months live training room for free, and also you can access this in the member area on my website, my new website, which will be ready in the January next year. So plenty of good things. But the point is, for example, if we speak about mentorship program, till end of December the price is 1,000 euros for whole program, and the next year the price will be 3,000 euros for the new members. So if you plan to start, this is the good month to start till end of this year, and the next year will be the price will be 3,000 euros. So that will be all for this video. I wanted just to share this with you, and take care, and I'm expecting you in the room. Bye bye for now, and have a good day.